We are all acting. Playing the roles we assign ourselves. The hero. The villain. The destitute young man. And the femme fatale. There is no meaning in life without performance. I am not an actor. I am clay. I can be molded. I can be changed.
Why must you be so cruel, Dad? To take my father as you did my wife? I am not fit to be king, so why must you make me one?
It is not I who makes you king, young prince.
But my father,
It was his time.
in the midst of the greatest conflict this land has ever seen, it was not his time.
Yes, it was.
Great. Thank you, Ezra.
I can do it differently if you want.
No, that was fine. Thank you all for coming out to audition today. I'm glad to know that so many people are interested in this part. If you're casted, I'll give you a call. If you're not, some roles aren't for some people. Thank you.
To be an actor is to be a messenger. The greatest performances are the ones that change the world.
Ezra? You okay?
Hmm?
We'll get the part. Don't worry. I know Remy. He'll give it to you.
Do you really think this role is for me?
Yeah. Yes, of course I do.
Don't lie.
I mean it, Ezra. Let me know when he calls you, okay? I love you.
Love you too. There's no greater purpose than to portray the human experience. That is an actor's job.
Few stage directors are known. Many go their whole careers without being recognized. Because the play isn't about us. We are the puppet masters, working in the backgrounds, controlling you, the actors. I'm young. I know you can see that. But I assure you I know what I'm doing. So let's begin. Okay, that's time. Fantastic rehearsal, everybody. We'll pick it up here tomorrow. No, you stay.
I'll be outside.
Okay, yeah.
You were late.
I know, I'm sorry.
Do you even want this role?
Yes, of course I do.
There are 5 other guys who picked this up in an instant. So what makes you any different? The only thing now is that you were late. I'll ask you again. What makes it you any different?
I want it.
You want what?
The role. I want the role.
Maybe you shouldn't have it. Don't come in tomorrow.
Remy, I want to be changed.
Then show me.
rip everything I love right out of my hands.
Okay, thank you. Ezra, have you ever been to a funeral?
Yes.
Whose?
My grandmother's.
Was it open casket?
It was.
What was it like seeing the body?
Remy,
It was terrifying.
I don't believe you.
Remy,
If you don't like this, Mia, you can leave.
this is fucking unprofessional and immature.
Do not tell me how to do my job!
You're fucking kidding me! He's a fucking kid!
I am doing this with my actors.
To feel the fear and the guilt. I don't know if that's something I can pretend to do.
I'm sorry, Ezra. He does it because he wants the best out of you.
Why are you sorry?
It's not right. You're a good actor.
I could be better.
You'll do great. I believe in you. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, and don't forget, our hike is tomorrow.
I am not an actor. I am clay. I can be molded. I can be changed.
What do you think you'll do after high school?
I'm not sure.
I've been thinking a lot about medical school. What do you think of that?
What medical school?
I don't know. I've always liked the idea of helping people, healing people, you know?
Mia,
What's up? Cool rock. Can't wait for this play to be over. Remy's too much.
I don't think it's too much.
He pushes you too hard. He expects you to be perfect. That's just not possible.
I love you.
I love you too.
I can be molded. I can be changed.
Has anybody seen Mia? Ezra?
I haven't seen her since last night.
Okay. We'll go with the understudy. We're still on for tomorrow.
The prince raises the crown and puts it upon his head. I will guide you. I will show you the light.
You're on 5.
Thank you all for coming out tonight. It's been such an honor to work among such amazing individuals. They've all been so dedicated. Enjoy. Why must you be so cruel, Death? To take my father as you did my wife? I am not fit to be king, so why must you make me one?
It is not I who makes you king, young prince.
But my father
It was his time.
and the princess.
Hers too.
How can you be so cruel to rip everything I love right out of my hands?
This is the way things were meant to be. You are king now. Is this not what you wanted?
And don't forget to thank me, because I created this